So what is Skylight social app? Watch short form videos. So this is a new app, which is, as you can see, it's in top charts right now in US App Store. So this is kind of like a video client for Blue Sky app. So Blue Sky app is kind of alternative to Twitter. It's a very popular app on itself. So to use Skylight Social, you need to have Blue Sky first, and you need to have your account created in Blue Sky. So here's Blue Sky app. You just have it here. You need to go to Blue Sky and create your account first. And then to log into Skylight, you just log in via your Blue Sky account. So Skylight makes sharing short form videos easy and empowering, showcase your creativity, discover new trends, and connect with your favorite creators. With Skylight, you own your videos, your style, and your story. So again, it's kind of like a TikTok-like client for Blue Sky app. You just open it up. I already logged in with my Blue Sky account. You can see how we did that in my previous video about it. You just log in here, and then you have your feed kind of like that, very similar to TikTok. And then yeah, like very basic things like likes, comments. You can share it, you can follow, you can report users. So that's it. Then you can just search Skylight, search for users videos. Then you can upload video in here. So here you just have how you can upload. Then there's inbox where you have just all the same followers you have on Blue Sky. So by posting here, you basically just posting on Blue Sky, I guess. And if you just don't like text content, or you just like TikTok like content more, then you just use this app. But I think all your posts will appear still in Blue Sky. And then you have liked posts and drafts in here, settings, manage your account. All of this you just go through Blue Sky app. So very minimalistic TikTok kind of client for Blue Sky. Pretty cool. So yeah, you can download it. It's free. It doesn't require any payment. So yeah, you can just go to Skylight Social. People like it, especially because there is some uncertain future again for TikTok. Nobody knows if TikTok will stay in US or not, if there will be some kind of agreement or not. So again, there are some people searching for some alternatives for short form video apps. So yeah, try it out. Pretty cool.